21 Capital has made it clear that they have the same goal as strategy, and that goal is to acquire as much Bitcoin as possible and also to provide as much value to their shareholders as they can. So I think we are going to see 21 Capital copy some of the strategies that strategy is using, and the main strategy that strategy has been using to acquire more Bitcoin is issuing convertible debt. If you're not familiar with convertible debt is basically debt with an option on it to convert the debt into equity, into stock at a future point in time. So if you are a big believer in a company and you think their stock is going to rise a lot higher and they're issuing convertible debt, well, that could be an attractive option to you as an investor, because let's say the stock does rise higher, then you can convert that debt into equity, into stock, and get all that upside. Now, there's also a safety net with convertible debt. Let's say that the stock doesn't go higher. Let's say that the company tanks for some reason or another. Well, you don't have to convert the debt into equity. In that case, you can hold on to the debt and you get paid interest if there is any. If there is any, it's typically pretty low because of all that upside with this deal, but you also get paid that principal at the end of the term. So while you may be losing in real terms, at least you're getting some of your investment back. And when we look at companies who are acquiring Bitcoin, if you are a big believer in Bitcoin, then you probably think any company who is issuing this convertible debt to buy Bitcoin is going to see their stock rise up higher. And that's been the case with strategy. So if you are a big believer in Bitcoin, I think that this convertible debt is an attractive investment. And from the company's perspective, they're able to raise more money because it's such an attractive investment, and also because the interest rates are very low, or sometimes there's no interest. It looks like with a lot of this debt, they don't have to make all those interest payments.